Everyone, in this session now I'm going to present you that how we need to track the conversion in Google AdWords. So just take this example. If someone fill these information, name, email, subject and message, and click on the send message, that will be count as a one conversion. And how we need to save that information and retrieving the information with the help of Google AdWords. So without wasting your time, I can directly navigate towards my Google AdWords account. For this thing, this is my Google AdWords account, which already created and running with my different types of campaigns. And if you don't have the Google AdWords account, so you no need to bother. You can come here and you can type Google Ads account. And once you click here, you exactly will be able to see that this is the option, create a Google Ads account. You just need to click here now. And after that, you have two options. One is sign in and second one is the start now. So if you have the Google Ads account, you just need to click here in the sign in. Otherwise, you just need to click here in the start now account. So I can just click here in the sign in button. And this is my account. I just click here now. All the information is already stored in my Gmail account, and you can see that the Google AdWords account is in front of us. So there are different tons of information available here in Google AdWords Ads main dashboard account, where you can see that all the campaigns informations, their asserts, the products information. This is the button you can create a new campaigns. The central dashboard presented for stats presented, how many number of clicks, the views. And if you just click here, the matrix, this is the option we want to investigate, which is called as the interaction, views, view rate, and the conversion now. And if I just click here, so we want to setting up the conversions that when someone navigating towards your website, like your web page, like this page or this page, we want to track how many users actually came towards our website with the help of our paid advertisement. So now how we can create a conversion now. So if I just navigate towards the goals, and at the top, this is the option which is called as the conversion. So if you just click here, and then you can see this is the option summary. Below that, value rules, custom variables, but you just need to concentrate here the summary now. So after coming here, you exactly will be able to see the different types of conversions which I already configured in my account, in which I just quickly go through. This is the lead form submission conversion I setting up for one of my campaign. Then the phone call lead conversion with the help of Google Tag Manager, and then the contact related tags and the conversions we have created with the help of Google Tag Manager. And so you can see that click to calls, contact, and the contact us page when someone who actually visited on my contact us page. So for example, this is my contact us page. Let me show you. So if someone coming here visiting in this page, I want to track now that how many visitors came towards this page with the help of my campaigns now. So this is what exactly all the informations this data is showing for the yesterday. And if I just come and presented the last 30 days conversion, so now if I just scroll down, and you will be able to see that the engagement from the YouTube conversions data will be presented. 2 users came, and this is the 5 conversions for one of my outbound clicks. This is the one of the button when user click the ETL enroll. So I want to track how many people or the visitors who click on the Udemy enroll now button. And this is what exactly you can also specify your custom conversion tracking and how we need to map the conversions with the help of Google Tag Manager. So these are the existing one. Now I am going up, And I am now going to present you how you can create and set up your conversion tracking actions. So if you just click here, the create conversion tracking actions, and the page is loading. It will take couple of 1 or 2 minutes or sometimes less than that, and now the page is in front of us. So this will be presented that welcome to simpler conversion measurement setup. You can now set up measurement your conversion more effectively by choosing whether your customer interact with your business and connect these data sources upfront. Now setting up your measurement across data sources at one time. So I can show me later on now, and these are the one which I already using that conversion on my website. I just select this one option. For any website conversion that will measure with the Google tag or imported from the Google Analytics, I want to keep that information as well. And then the second information will be presented the conversion on app. So if you are having a plan for tracking your mobile data related conversions, or if you are promoting mobile applications apps, then you need to select this one. But our goal, we want to track the web application web pages and the buttons and the labels and the links. So you just need to select the first one. And then if you also have a plan that when someone visiting towards your websites, you want to track the website phone contact, how many people who click towards your website and call to you, we need to track those conversions as well, the calls from your visit websites. And these are the two ones I selected, and if further I can click here, click and save, continue. And there are some other measurements and the conversions options are also presented in front of you. Like conversion actions help you measure your customer interactions so you can understand the success of your advertisement campaign. So this is the primary goal for setting up the conversion tracking. And our goal must be that categorize helps you group conversion actions together. For example, you may have created a purchase conversion action which you can categorize within the purchase category. So if your goal for tracking the purchase category, so you just need to click this one. And if your goal that when someone visiting towards your contact us page, like this is the website aimsai.com, and when someone shared their names and the email ID and all these stuff and the subject information and everything, and when someone click here, you want to store that information as a lead form. This is your lead form now when someone will be presenting and sharing the information. So being our goal as a digital marketer, we need to retrieve such kind of leads information, then we need to go with the leads form, submit form category. And when you want to track that someone when click towards a certain buttons, contact button or something like that, or your phone number or email or chat, you can select this category. Or if your target goal that when someone views a particular page, like if someone come here and visit towards about page or your service page or towards the home page, our goal must be that your customer might be asked to you that you need to track that how many visitors who actually visited towards this landing page now, and you want to track that information. So all these things we can select. And for example, if I want to select the page view, so I just need to select this option. And once I select my goal, now Google AdWords asking that when someone views a key page such as article, product or page, we need to add the conversion action. So if you just click here to add the conversion action, this will be asking you the two information. One is appleKit.pk from your web, and second one is from your uploads. If I want to set that add conversion source, and here I can just specify the save and information now, and then the page view, and then save information, and I can select this one from the web, and here you need to setting up the event information like create a codeless event or create a manual event. Now we are interested to install a code on your website, identify ourselves. So this will be asking you that enter your name for the conversion. I would like to say, for example, software testing page, right? We want to track, and once we just click here the use event, now you can see that this edit button is presented in front of us. If we just click here the edit button, and this is how we are getting this pop-up in which action optimization information is in front of us, that page view is an account default goal. This is our goal, that this action will be optimized for our conversion and the time when page view goal is used in your campaign. So this is the conversion name, and what exactly the value for us if someone visited in this page. So I would like to say, for example, $100 or something like that in my currency. This is presented. You can select your currency in USD or whatever you want, and after that you can go down and select how many conversions to count per click. So per click, which is recommended as by purchase, because every purchase is visible, you can select this option as it is, and after that rest of the options, click through conversions window, 90s and everything you can keep as it is, and then clicking towards the done button. And after that, once we setting up everything, now we have seen that these informations we have configured successfully, and now you can see that click here and then save and continue. And now this is the area that we need to set up our active measurement with the Google Tag Manager. So there are three options presented in front of us. For finishing setting up your conversions, review these steps below, ensure conversions can be measured correctly. So first of all, we need to set up our Google Tag and event. So first option is that set up with Google Tag, or if you have a developer, you can share the information. You just need to specify your developer name and just click towards the send button. So code snippet for Google Ads measurement ID, send it back towards that particular email ID for your developer, whatever you want to specify here. But if you don't have a developer or development team, no worries. You can just navigate towards the third tab, which is called as the use Google Tag Manager. So here in Google Tag Managers, to install the Google Tag Manager, Google is helping us for presenting the information that this is the conversion ID we need to share towards Google Tag Manager, and the label ID is the one we need to setting up now. So let's navigate towards our main account, which is called as the Google Tag Manager. So here at this time, we can now navigate towards the tags and click towards the new tag now. And this time you just need to click here, and then you can just click here the Google Ads conversion tracking now. So the Google Ads conversion tracking, we just need to select this one, and after that, this is the conversion ID we need to specify. We have two options as I explained you. Either you can store the conversion ID in towards the custom defined user variables, which we already learned how to setting up the user defined variable. Otherwise you can navigate again towards the Google Ads account and copy your conversion ID and navigate again towards your tag manager and specify here now. After that, this is loading now, but once I just copy and paste the conversion ID, it said that no Google tag found in this now. So we need to create a tag for the Google Ads now. So if I just click here, and this is the tag ID, as you can see that is presented here now, and after that you initialize, we want to trigger all the pages now, and if I just save it here now, And now congratulations, your Google tag is found in this container. After that, we need to specify the conversion label. So again, navigate towards here, and this is the conversion label. You just need to copy and then navigate back and specify it here. After that, rest of the options you need to specify as it is, and I can just specify here software testing all pages, right? And I can just come here in the trigger, and I can also select currently as trigger me the Google tag with my all the pages whenever users coming towards my Google Ads campaign. So after selecting the conversion ID and the label and the container, and where we want to trigger that whosoever coming towards our website, with the help of Google Ads paid advertisement, we are tracking those information. And once you click here in the save button, now congratulations, your Google Ads conversion tracking is setting up successfully. And if I just click here now towards the submit button, you can specify as the description Google Ads done or whatever it can be, or description, and mark as the publish. And now we have the 6 tags, and after that I can go back towards the workspace and then navigate towards the preview, and then we are launching our software testing websites amzi.com, and click here towards the connect button. The tag assistant is triggering now in a debug mode. It will take few seconds, and now successfully we are towards our debug mode. And if I just click here the different menus and the options or the pages, and if I just go back towards the tag assistant and click here, wow, congratulations, our newly created Google ad tag successfully fired. And if I just click here now, this is the Google Ads tag ID, the conversion ID which we set up successfully working fine. And 3 pages we basically click the page view, we can see that it's working fine. And if I just come back towards here and towards the software testing games, and if I just click here now, so this was the link click we done, and the variable information is also be in front of us, that after clicking these options what we are watching and getting the informations and the page load information. And if I go back towards the Google Tag Manager after click on towards the finish button, we want to see that where our tag is presented. So I selected the page view, and if I just scroll down, this is the lead form information, phone call, contact related, get direction, conversion tracking, engagement, and the outbound link and page view. And this is the software testing page which we just created the tag for the conversion tracking. It's showing here inactive. So sometimes this happens. It was fired there with the help of Google Tag Assistant, but if you seen such kind of statuses, you just need to click here the troubleshoot and click towards the continue button. And after that, Google Tag Assistant asks you that you need to specify the website URL. So again, navigate towards your website and copy this one. Navigate back towards your Google Tag Assistant and paste it here now. And after that, you just need to click out towards the connect button. Once we connect it now, the Tag Assistant launching your website, and debug mode is also triggering successfully. And after that, if I just navigate towards the different pages and then select towards the another page, and now if we go back towards the Google Ads conversion and click towards the connect, and now we can see that conversion tracking is successfully set up, and the message which previously shown inactive, now this shown no recent conversion. Why this message is showing? Once you will be setting up your conversion with your this conversion with your search campaigns or YouTube campaigns and spend some money and add this goal towards your campaign. So once the data will be coming, so the numbers will be automatically updated here now. So this is the way how you can setting up your conversion tracking in Google AdWords account. And I would like to give you the another assignment